Okay, let's introduce our next participant, our next scientist, Ryan. And he's going to show us a very exciting science experiment. So let's get started.
Hello everyone, my name is Abraham Muhammad Ryan and I will show you a density test. Here we have salt water and normal water. We have an egg. It is common sense that when we put something heavy in water, it sinks. Now, that is normal common sense. But when we put salt in water, the egg floats.
Wow!
How does this happen? When we put an egg in normal water, the egg is more dense than the water, causing the egg to float down. And when we put salt in water, the water gets more dense than the egg. So the egg floats.
Do you know any river where you don't drown?
There are dead seas.
That's, yeah. Why is it happen?
You don't sink in dead seas
Yeah. Why?
because there are a lot of salt in those waters.
Yeah, that's right answer.
Very good.